Today I'll be sharing how to validate dependencies in your project. In this lesson, we will use a package called Depcheck to check if all dependencies in our package.json are used or if we have missed to add some of them. So first let's create a project called My Project, move to the inside project and open that with Visual Code. Inside the project, let's open the terminal and run npm init so we can start a new npm project. That's the default package.json with all the content. As you can see, there is no dependency or dev dependencies listed here. What we'll do now is install a new dependency called debug. Also install a new dependency called Depcheck as a dev dependency so we can use that later in our project. As you can see, now we have debug and we have Depcheck both as dev dependencies. So how we can check for using them or not? One way to use it is just by calling node-modules.ping.depcheck. When we run this command, we can see both packages being listed as dev dependencies, which are not being used in a project. Another way of using it is by creating a new npm script. In that case, we'll create a new npm script called Depcheck, which we'll be calling Depcheck package. That's the way that should be. And when we run npm run Depcheck, we can see some errors. Those errors are happening because those packages are not being used in your project. How we can fix them? Now that we know that our validation is working, let's create a file called .depcheckrc. This file will have all the configurations for the Depcheck package. Inside this file, let's add the first field called ignores. This field is responsible to say to Depcheck what should be ignored or not. So the next time we run npm run Depcheck, the command should not return any error, should return as a success. In that case, we can add new packages in our services, in our projects, in our packages, and if it's not there, we can run this command to validate it.